Hey guys, I'm Jeremiah Lay with Paul's Fan Company. I work in the industrial division, and I want to come to you guys today and talk to you about your industrial fan and the durability of your fan. We purchased Champion fans back in 2016, and with that acquisition we gained 70 years of intellectual property drawings in the customer base, large customer base. We've been in the fan business since 1958, and the way that we stayed in business and it stood the test of time is the durability of our fans and the service afterwards and the continued availability of parts. And so with the acquisition of Champion, we're implementing the same standards that we set in the mining world into the industrial world. So this is one of our competitors' fans, and something that separates us from them is we solid weld everything on our fans, especially airstream parts should be. This fan was not. In the industrial industry, industrial fans are used in all processes. You could have high heat, moisture, chemical, abrasives. As you can see, our fan is solid welded on the inside and out, and our competitor stitch welds. For those that don't know, a stitch weld will run in 4-inch increments, could be 6-inch increments or 2-inch. Ours is solid welded. And also the gauge of material that we use is a lot heavier than our competitors, and we do not build a Class 1 fan, nor do we recommend a Class 1 fan. They're thinner, the gauge of material are so thin. If you have an airstream with abrasives or temperature or moisture content, then they don't last, especially being stitch welded. That is just one item that separates Paul's Fan Company from our competitor in the fabrication process. But we do things a lot different than a lot of our competitors in all the processes of ventilation. All of our fans are built per application, per customer, so 95% of our fans is custom. We fabricate and weld everything by hand and form it by hand. Also, everything we do, as far as the process of building a fan, is done in-house. When you have to build a custom fan for a customer, it requires a lot of information. And to be able to build a fan and ship it within a week for a customer and it fit in place and bolt up, it's tough to do. Something else that separates us from our competitors also is we offer a turnkey application fan. Not only do we build a custom fan, we install it, provide all the electrical controls, motors. We also have a traveling service department in emergency situations. We're the guys that call at 3 o'clock in the morning. We keep a massive inventory of parts of all types of fans, our competitors' fans, our fans. Guys, thanks for watching. We're looking for more of our videos on our industrial fans in the weeks coming. We put out new videos every Friday. Thank you.